Do you want to do double snake stuff or?
We just base.
Okay.
Why don't we just super base?
Why don't we just kill
Holy
the
shit, there's a
dens and then
den.
kill them?
Well, you never know if they're good, right?
They're not.
This guy has 32 slain, and he's 1 for 1. It's good enough. We'll see.
That is not good enough. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, because what it means is he's 100% win rate on this one, but on others, he's killed quite a bit.
Wait, or is it total critter slain? Total critter slain on that cat, or
In general.
Total.
Total. That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
So 32 is garbage.
No, it's not. It's not. That means, dude, the difference between a player versus, with like 1 game versus like minimum 5 here, like it's a big difference.
Well, yeah, it is a big difference, but it's still garbage.
Yeah, it's still garbage, but it's like it's not just like haha, let's go kill dens.
I mean, that's what it is to me.
You could try. Yeah, I mean, you guys shit on, so I don't know what to say, bro.
Well,
Like,
well, yeah, because you literally have 300 games fucking try hard motherfucker,
Nah.
fucking counters my
nah.
champion.
Look,
like,
look
what
at
do you
look
expect?
at the nah. New account. I'm gonna Smurf account.
Oh, yeah.
2 games played.
Oh no, my base.
Kobe. Mega Kobe. Bottom left looking juicy this game. Looking fat juicy, dude. It's looking like a fat 4 fucking ion cannon game.
Oh no, my base.
You know what's even sicker than that? If we want to be really fucking good, we can base here too. And we can wall here and here. Do you know what I mean? That is actually insane. If we want to try an Omega base, dude. Let's do it. That means we have to wall 3 points. 2 of you can wall 1, I can wall another. And then Rover can just tech into birds.
Wait,
I think
where are we going?
here.
Responsible walling?
So 2v needs to wall the most critical point right here. I can wall the east. Brian can wall the west. The west is the least likely to get hit in my opinion. I feel like they wouldn't want to corral themselves into that little corridor. Because we just fucking murder them with like the tank column, like literally the longest tank column on Earth.
Yeah.
And then most of our defenses can be... Fuck, I didn't see that. Fuck, whatever.
I mean, there's not really a point of walling so far to the right, though, is there?
There is, because he could just walk in. We want to wall here. Do you understand what I mean? That means that we'd have to wall underneath us too. We might as well just take 2 extra base spots, right? Might as well.
Yeah, I guess I see what you're saying, but if you're theoretically walling for the Jindos, like, doesn't he go here?
No,
Or not the
we don't
Jindos,
have to worry about Jindos anymore.
Yeah, well, yeah,
No
the
shit,
Magma
sis.
dog, but
Yeah, exactly. So in that case, we would just shift our wall here, you know what I mean? And we would just wall 2 spots here and here.
but like, theoretically, we should just wall here as usual because there's nothing that they can use from range.
No, I'd rather push up. Like either way, you're gonna have to wall like to the right, so that. Do you understand what I mean? We want to capture these 2 base spots.
Oh, I'm dying. Okay, but do we really need the base spots? We have. Well, I guess we do.
Yeah, we have 4 players.
Okay.
I mean, we're snakes,
Yeah.
right? We're snakes, but like ideally, we have open base slots just in case we want to, like, I don't know, juke them or some shit.
Oh yeah.
Or play snakeheads.
Yeah. Like if
Yeah,
we
but
need to put
wouldn't
snakeheads
Snakeheads
close.
would just be better, like.
No,
across
but
the
like
map,
assuming
just like that.
they take the entire map, right? This would be a surefire way to win.
Mm.
Okay, I have Econ 1.
Yeah. I'm clearing base spots for us.
Alright. Me too.
Let's go. I'm gonna start our stuff.
Our colony.
I'm 1v1ing this guy.
So 2v, I want you to wall like here. If you just look in the middle here,
Yeah.
you see that? Okay. That opens up so much tech.
Yeah.
He just
Did you get
rebuilds
up?
it. He's still fucking attacking it.
Yeah, nice,
Um,
nice stall.
No way he got it off.
I'll get all my tech spots here.
It's going back. He's going back for more. Oh no, he's gone. Oh, it's going back.
Yeah, Flea and Bird should just take the safest spots, the safest 2 spots.
Oh, he's actually back for more, bro.
It's back for blood. Oh no, further. Cancel it. Escape. So like right here.
Right here.
Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Okay, let's wall him in. Let's wall him in. Let's do
True,
a tactic.
should wall him in, yeah. I tried doing this on you, but it doesn't work, cause like, I feel like you need to stall him a bit inside. Oh, he's going right. He's not even going inside.
Yeah, we're chilling. We can play like this.
We gotta bait him inside and fuck over 2v1 Zcon. Wait, they have Brood Lords. Nice type on. Type tampon? Type
I'm fun. What the fuck?
Oh my god,
Thanks,
I'm playing
bro.
fire. What was that left?
Other flies.
Oh, they're big. They're like serving size. I am playing a dangerous fucking game, dude. It's okay, we got him. Let's do this. Nice. Get that shit going. What the fuck? Hey, looming. I need type hands here soon.
Here?
On me.
Ah, I see. Rover, can you give? Oh wait, it's not invis. What am I saying?
What?
I'm just kidding.
Alright.
It can go invis, just remember. Nice, good hits. Good
Yeah,
hits.
but then it can't deploy.
I can wall if you need, Rover.
I mean, I have a decent amount of money.
Watch out for the exploder. Yo!
Uh,
What happened?
I'm going.
I thought you were dealing with that. You led them to me and let me die.
Oh, that's so cute.
Eric was trying to murder my ass. Y'all.
Oh, this is
I'll
bad.
be-
This is bad.
With my ghost,
Oh
I'll be with
fuck!
my
This is
ghost.
really bad. Oh my god.
No way. Wait. Wait.
Yo, we have to play proper.
Oh.
Yo. Get me out.
Hey, get us out,
Anyone
get us
got
out.
units?
Is
Bro.
lurkers or kittens, I mean?
Bro, dude, I don't know how you're not
Yo.
looking. You can mineral walk, by the way. Just right click on a mineral and place you through them. Fast.
Yo, you can copy.
Yeah. I'll copy once I'm there. Just this is good. Fuck that. Just go. Put one type hand out and go.
Yeah. I have to mic on my main guy.
Omega. Hey, he's coming. I need a bit of time to set up, then I can help you. Nice.
Oh, I
nice
got it. I
scores.
got it. I got it. Nice.
Nice.
Can you fly your TIE planes above this guy, by the way? Just to fuck with his space.
I just walked through.
Wait, why?
Just to make him roar. Just to make him roar. Yeah, make it look like you're doing something.
How did you rescue?
TIE planes, TIE planes, TIE planes. Yo, you can just share micro, man.
Oh. True. Forgot.
He doesn't know, he doesn't know. Oh, he does know. One more hit, one more hit. Oh, GG.
Nice.
I got it.
There's these.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, let's capture some territory here. I'm gonna do some adders.
What the fuck? Yo!
What's up?
There's like 300 mama cats right here. Wait, just like look at this. Yo, I don't think I can vibe for that. Rofer, you might need to just sit banelings on top of them.
Okay, I will do that.
I can spitting. It's fine, it's fine. We have AoE.
No, my right side.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, I'm moving lurkers there soon.
Oh, by the way, there's a cat right side here.
I know.
Oh my gosh! The juice!
Did you get him? Nice.
Got him all.
Okay, okay. I wall for you, Rofer. Just don't wall.
Okay.
Wait, what's happening here?
I'll have enough tanks for you. Oh my god, he's killing them on the way. Just tech, just econ.
Where's my base? I don't have a base.
We're creating the fucking biggest base I've ever seen. It's so colorful on the map. It's so nice.
What are those? Banelings?
Yeah.
Well,
Plant worm snakes and stuff. Let's get this going.
I'm gonna focus on that.
What? You're gonna focus on what?
Focus the map.
Oh, okay.
He has like loomings everywhere. Also,
Yeah.
I don't have any econ.
Yeah, we just tech to max. 2v. You could just go what's it called?
This guy's over here.
Just go ion. I mean, can you get a tan column going here, Brian? I can't. I'm doing the right side. You should be doing the left side for us. I got it.
Unbreakable sparrow wall. Fucking viper plus sparrows plus fucking so tanky. How do you kill that?
Yeah, I think that's what defense is here. Need to fortify this more. dodge it. Look at this fucking defense, man. This is absolutely bonkers defense.
Well, only because they let us, you know.
I feel like we just took the spot by force, man.
Hmm.
Get more worms,
This
spread more
would never
snake.
happen if you were cat.
I don't know, if 3 people just put shit down right away, like, you know, the Sparrow Nest
Yeah.
held, I feel like it
Nah,
would have
bro,
been good.
even this base, like, you literally can capture it. You can literally take it over. It's not too hard for you. If you're playing dog.
I would go topside right now, just because Brian's putting 0 fucking worm snakes out. I wouldn't touch the right side, because you're just
I'm
getting
poor
right
as
here.
fuck, man.
Exactly, I take advantage of the poor, bro. You heard it here first.
Holy shit.
I can't even get my wall up because I'm not Econ 2.
Alright, I was supposed to get all those.
Poverty
shit.
caving.
Econ 4, dude.
Yeah, nice flex, bro.
Econ 2 looking ass. Dude, you held position your Cyclones. They're kind of wrecking my guys. There we go, there we go. This guy's got the right idea. Oh, Brian, kill this bottom turret. The adder. Kill that. It's blocking pathing.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Base is under attack.
Line this shit up. This looks so fucking sick, by the way. Look at this macaroni, dude. Worm snake macaroni. Oh my god, he's gonna. You noob. It's okay, it's okay. You weren't crucial. Let's go.
Bro, there's a fucking... Wait, is that even blocking it? Like, I swear it passed... It's so dumb. It passed me upwards.
This kid just making excuses. It's
Bro, I died, like, right above this fucking sparrow. Why did it path me up there? Oh.
Shortest path. Oh my god, we're doing work, dude. I'm hearing tanks. Oh my god, look at these lurkers, baby. Damn. Damn. It's time to ion. Put a Viper on that shit. Let's go. Brian, how's this whole thing not just lined up? You brokey. Here, I'll do it for you.
Thanks, bro.
We're not even getting hit. We have, dude. It's so funny. They have a tank column too, so that we can advance, but we don't need to. 2E can get to Econ 4 in a moment, and then boom, ion.
Yeah, how funny would it be if this just started ioning? And they're just like, what the fuck?
We need 1 Taipan. You got a Taipan?
I'm making 3.
Oh shit, the mama cats. Lol, he just left. Dude, this is just sick base, man. I love this character.
Oh, sure, yeah. I did not eat anything.
So many
What
lemmings.
the-
I'm about to go
I'm
kill
a
them all.
hungry roofer.
Here it comes, boys. Pop, 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 pop.
Ah, fuck. Whatever.
Never mind, he's a noob. Take it all back, he's easy.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Fuck you.
Oh, the spawn camp. Holy shit.
Yeah, Wilfer. But who's dead?
Yeah, true, dude.
I'm dead by choice. I thought we were smashing too hard, so I was giving him a chance.
Yeah, that's funny, that's funny. I actually think this is an insane defense, by the way. Just being able to slap him with a column, it forces him to come to the right, and you can just do a similar concave. I don't think bottom right can ever do something like this. This is the only Mega Base I can think of. Maybe here too, you know, maybe.
Base is under attack.
So good though, so good.